Cheers, brothers. A little Baja Blast. Welcome to another video. Today we're working on Trevor's car, so I'm just gonna let Trevor talk about it. Before we get into that, Karma Driving Club shirts. We got the dark navy. Trevor's got the white shirt on, looking like the wall right now, looking sweet. We got the black ones as well. KarmaSpeed.com. They're on the website. Grab them before they're gone. We didn't make that many, so hit it up, please. We'd really appreciate it. If you guys enjoy the content or you've learned something from us, this is for you.
We are doing another catch can install, but on my car. How do you say it? Add one?
Let's call it Add One.
Add one or Add W1? Sorry, we don't know how to pronounce your name. They were kind enough to send us out another catch can for my car, and they also sent some carbon bits. This is for the intake. It goes over real carbon fiber, and it goes over that little filter. This is gonna be a little bit different than Cameron's install because mine's a OEM setup. I don't have any previous mods to my, what do you call it?
PCV.
To my PCV valve. 4 10 mils on top. This will be also the fastest install possible. 4 10s on top. Already ran into that issue. So we don't remember in the last video or not if it came with O-rings. I think it was a little bit different of a kit. This one seems to be a little updated. It has O-rings. We're gonna do some Teflon tape around the threads just in case as well for extra protection. Tighten these up with our 3/4 inch. Next, we're gonna get this. Got our little Allen's head guide.
If you guys don't have a lot of tools at home, I will leave a link in the description to some tool kits that you guys could use on days like this for your installs. Little Allen heads, little screwdrivers, wrench set. I got you.
So we are installing the drain port. This is an extra strip that they sent out this time. Cameron was kind enough to let me have it. So
this is good for daily drivers when you're putting a lot of miles on them, because it makes it easier to drain it. And on the my Z, it's just becoming slowly too much of a drift car to daily, especially after the welded diff. You can daily weld a diff, but if I were to go back in time, I wouldn't have done that. But it's nice when you want to get crazy.
So we got our hoses installed. This is our drain hose right here, just kind of looped right now. And then we have this is the power steering bracket. Just mounts the same one. All right, so next we have to remove our old PCV or whatever the heck it's called. Slide this guy. Tip for removing these hoses: if you grab them like this and then twist them first like this. This one's already broke loose, kind of, you can see. They seem to come off way easier when you do that. Okay, be careful because this is plastic. Like that.
Hose clamp.
I forgot my hose clamp.
If you guys hear us huffing and puffing a lot, it's because it's getting over 100 degrees every day now in Arizona because it's summertime, so we're having an AC unit delivered hopefully next week. Top side is dialed. We got this going to this line, this going to this line. We got this mounted over here. Now we have the line out the bottom of the catch can. We're trying to figure out where we're gonna cut it. Oh, valve right here, and Trevor's like, what if we drill a hole through this plastic right here? So we got a bunch of bits.
I just feel like it'd be a way cleaner install.
Yeah, instead of it dangling or we zip tie it, it'll just stick through like a straw.
So you get the fattest one?
Sure.
Ooh, is there an imbi? Yeah, what's the closest to this? And in my radiator.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh.
That's pretty dope.
That is.
Alright.
Is the valve easy to get to?
Mm-hmm. Flip it up.
That's actually like really sick. I'll take the hose clamp and use.
Oh. Okay.
It's hitting right here.
Like, I feel like it helps a little bit because normally, well,
this is not function here. There's no way.
no, normally, so, hear me out. Hood gets hot. It's pulling hot air up against the hood because usually my intake's like grinding on this hood the way it's set up right now. And now you'll have like a little gap for fresh air to get in there. All right, that's the install. If that catch can went nicely. It's a little bit different than Cameron's setup. We have the full drain plug that goes down, drilled through that, so we can just slide that open. I'm gonna just double check to make sure it's closed.
Like I said earlier, we did a full track night. Plenty of runs, nothing crazy. It wasn't like I was driving for 30 minutes straight, but I already see a little bit of oil residue right here. Now that I think about it. Oh man, what if this thing is like plumb full? Oh. Oh. I think it's to right there.
That's a lot of oil though, huh?
I don't know. There's like barely any in it.
Let's check it out though. Black, brother.
Well, we know it works.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's a wrap for this video. Now we both have catch cans. We'll leave the link in the description to the catch can. Don't forget the shirts on karmaspeed.com. To be completely real with you, the more shirts and things we sell like that, the more we can do this. Trevor and I literally do this full time now, and we're also doing a bunch of client work, so we're working like dogs, and we enjoy it, we love it. But the more we can have you guys invest in the channel, the more we can invest in the channel, the more you learn, the more we learn, the more fun we can have. And it's just all around a great circle. So we appreciate you guys. The channel is growing tremendously right now, and like from the bottom of our hearts, like me and Trevor every day, like super thankful and honored to be able to do this. So we're excited. We have the 350Z people on board, the Subaru people on board. We're excited to expand in the future. We want to do muscle cars and things like that, but I don't know what I'm saying right now. What should we build next is what I'm trying to say. What do you guys want? A BRZ? Do you guys want a Mustang? Do you guys want a truck? Like, just scratch the truck. It's too expensive because we want to do a truck. We want to do it right. Me and Trevor already have builds in mind. So yeah, so what is it? We are taking all opinions for you guys that watch these kinds of videos. We really appreciate you investing your time into watching us. So we hope you learned something. We hope you enjoy it. karmaspeed.com. Check out the shirts. We'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to follow Trevor and I on Instagram on the screen right now. Later.